Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let us learn how to draw Tigger today, shall we? Ready? Let's get started. We shall start by drawing both of Tigger's ears first. Followed by the outline of his face. Next, add in the inner details of his ears. Moving on, we shall start working on Tigger's nose. Followed by his mouth. Shall we add some cute little hair for Tigger? Let's do it! Next, his eyebrows and eyes. Before we move on to his body, let us add in the stripes on his head first. Now that we are done with his head, we shall add in Tigger's hands before drawing the body. Let's work on his body next. First, draw Tigger's tummy. And add in his legs at the side. Finish off with some details before drawing in his stripes. It's time for the stripes again. Ready? Let's do it! Now the stripes on Tigger's body and legs. Add in the tail to finish. Let's add in the stripes to complete. Shall we add in a volleyball to bounce together with Tigger? Here you go. Tigger with a volleyball is completed. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Do help me like, share, and subscribe.